Hello. Have you ever looked at the sun and wondered what makes the sun shine so brightly? Today we're going to take a closer look at our nearest star and explore some of its amazing properties. The sun is a massive ball of hot plasma made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. It's so far away that it takes light about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. One of the sun's most striking features is its constant rotation. The sun spins on its axis just like Earth does. However, the sun does not rotate as a solid body. Instead, different parts of the sun rotate at different speeds. This is called differential rotation, and it creates a complex pattern of movement on the sun's surface. The sun's interior is a dynamic place with a constant flow of energy and material. In the core of the sun, nuclear fusion reactions convert hydrogen into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. In nuclear fusion, atoms of hydrogen collide and fuse together to form a new element, helium. During the process, significant energy is released. This energy travels outward through the sun's layers, moving towards the surface and ultimately reaches Earth. As the energy moves outward, it creates a pattern of rising and falling materials called convection. This convection creates a bubbling pattern on the sun's surface that we see as granules. The sun's surface is not always smooth and uniform. Sometimes cooler, darker areas called sunspots appear. Sunspots are caused by intense magnetic fields that disrupt the flow of energy from the sun's interior. The sun is also a source of powerful eruptions known as solar flares and prominences. Solar flares are sudden explosions of energy that release intense bursts of radiation. Prominences are giant loops of hot gases that arch out from the sun's surface. The sun's activity has a significant impact on Earth. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can disrupt communication systems and even damage satellites. However, the sun also provides us with the energy that makes life on Earth possible. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember the complex processes that are taking place within this giant ball of fire. The sun is a dynamic and ever-changing star, and its influence extends far beyond our own planet. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of our sun. Thank you for watching.